Hi, this is Olive, my miniature schnauzer, and I am going to show you how to make these wooden lead ropes for your models. Okay, I'm doing this on the Lip Bizarna Gelding. Okay, and with this you'll need string, staples of any colour, 2 jump rings, small jump rings. Did I show you the tweezers? I'm not sure. Scissors, obviously. Okay, and okay, what you do to start with is you wrap it around like, just get it like that. Then you twist. Let you go like that. So you wrap the noseband from this bit, wrap it around, and then pull it through there. Okay? You get one of your jump rings. Get your tweezers and pull it through. Slide it up to the top, like so. Then tie a knot. I do double knots, just so it doesn't come undone. But you can do as many knots as you like. Snip off the excess bits. Throw the short piece in the bin and keep the long piece. Short piece over there. Long piece here. Okay, then you get your second jump ring and your leftover. Again, pull it through. Do a knot around that. Do a knot around. Like so. Snip off excess bits like so. Okay then. I'm using green. And if the common is what you do is you get one. Okay, get it. Okay, so you got that there, like so, and then you get this and this. And you bend down on the newspaper, piece of pad or whatever, and then you get your tweezers like that, and you squeeze together. These are a bit harder because I think they're just meant to be little mini key rings. So it's not working. There we go, like so. And then it does work better if you don't have the ones I like this. Well, like doubled up, it does really help if they're just singular. And then where your fingers, just clip on, and I do like to just bend it a bit with my own hands, and then I like tie a knot here so it's easier, and flip around, and there we go, your own halter and beadrope. And if they work out well, you can make more. Obviously, comment and tell me how it worked out, or if you want me to show you anything else. Okay? So, bye now.